And why didn't you go with them? One of them was to go to UK. Mom would see you, but not the UK. But I'm not living in the UK, Oma, you know that. Don't wet your shoes. You guys, these children swim yesterday because yesterday was our last day. Overnight. How many hours did you stay in the swimming pool yesterday? We swim, you guys. The swimming pool was so fun. They will take the boat, okay. The swimming pool yesterday was so fun. Go throw it away. Then why didn't you go with them? Climb the step. The step is there. Step. Look there. Bovo. Vo. Climb there, and that is the trash. We stayed in the water yesterday more than 5, from 12 to 6. 12. Knee out. Knee out. You are not playing with water. We are going home. Let me go to the bank. We came here to withdraw money, not to go to the water. It's not working. She wants to enter water and wet her clothes.
Mama.
I'm tired.
Mama.
I'm really tired, really. I'm not even exaggerating. Stop with me, please.
Are you better?
Yeah, you can spell with water, honey. I'm too scared of really. Shame on you. You are too scared of heights. No. Oma is too scared for heights. Shame on you, Oma. What is it? Water. She wants to play with the water, but we don't have a swim here. We are coming from holiday. You guys. We are not even home yet. And she wants to enter there. For me, there is no problem, but her clothes. She's chasing the. She likes to chase the pigeons. She likes to chase the pigeons. If she enters the water, her clothes is going to get wet. Her clothes are going to get wet, and that we don't want that. Come, let's go to the bank, okay? You okay?
What?
Yeah, okay. Hello, look, your sister is going to run. Come back. Go. Go, look, your sister. She's coming. What are you doing now? I don't know what you're doing. What? You want me to help you? Ah, okay. Is that what you want me to sing? Nee, not sure. What is she doing? Are you okay? What is she doing? Oh, long leg by me. You guys, did you see what she's doing? Let me be going. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed, stay positive. Say bye. She's not going in the water. It's not going to happen. Bye guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oma, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me. Look at my nails. I need to refresh them. Okay? My foot nails. This nail has really suffered. I walked barefooted at the. Give me